Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable circle to search on the Poco C75. Now first of all, just open the Google app. Now from here, if we circle on anything, we cannot enable circle to search because the Poco C75 does not support circle to search. Now if you want to enable circle to search, you can download a third-party app to do that. Now to do that, just go to your home screen. Now from here, tap on Play Store. Now from here, just search circle to search. Now from here, just install this app. Now once the app is fully downloaded, tap on Open. Now from here, tap on Accept. Now from here, tap on Go to Settings. Now tap on Digital App Assistant. Now from here, make sure you select circle to search. Now from here, tap on OK. Now go back. Now from here, just go to your home screen. Now from here, if you tap and hold on the home button, you can enable circle to search. Now from here, if you circle on anything on the screen, you can enable circle to search, just like that. And this is how you can enable circle to search on the Poco C75. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.